Hello, welcome to another video. I've just recently come into possession of some extra distilling equipment, which is copper. As you can see, I've actually made some videos on this in the past. But I've had a couple of questions from people asking me how I actually clean it. Well, it's dead simple. I'm going to show you how. Well, for $4, I went to the local store and picked up a laundry hamper basket. Large capacity, very cheap. I'm just throwing in 350 grams of citric acid here and putting in some nice warm water. Now, I might add that I actually determined the height of the water by putting in the stuff that I'm going to clean and put a piece of tape just out of the screen area so you can, I'm going to be filling it up to just above that tape level. Obviously mix it, make sure that citric acid is actually going to be well dispersed, and then you get ready to start putting your pieces in. Now, all I've done here is basically prepare it nice and warm at night time. I'm going to leave it overnight. So here we go. I'm putting in the tarnished pieces of copper and just making sure that it goes in and is well covered. And I might add too, I actually put some copper saddles in here as well from my reflux column. I'll leave it until the next day. Next day, wow, look at that. That's pretty clear. Now mind you, when you take it out of the water, oxidization starts to occur immediately. Well, as you can see, it's relatively simple, quick and easy, and very economical to clean the copper items that you actually have. They came up really, really good. As we all know, these have a nice sheen on the outside, a protective covering on there. They'll be nice and shiny until the day they fall apart. It's the inside which becomes a little bit tarnished, as we all know. And just a quick and easy way to get it off. It's just using citric acid. Very, very simple. Now, I'll quickly show you how effective that was. It's, without doubt, probably one of the best ways I've actually cleaned these things in the past. So I'm going to take a bit of a video inside, see if I can show you. Absolutely crystal clean. That's copper as if it's just been taken out of the ground and smelted into a copper bar. So with this one here, you can't really see inside, but you can see a little bit of the internal components there. Clean as anything. So, oh, by the way too, we actually have the internal saddles for the reflux column too. Just pour them in, away it goes, and clean as it comes. Brilliant. So yeah, by all means, try that. Citric acid. In Australia, that cost me $4. I used 35 grams and $2 to clean all your copper. Not bad value.